I'm glad to be back in a cover crop field. I did my graduate work on cover crops and I'm still very passionate about the benefits that they can bring to North Carolina farmers. Here I'm in a cereal rye field. This rye was planted in middle of October at about 100 pounds per acre. We were really trying to optimize biomass production, and we probably have 7,000 to 8,000 pounds of dry matter in this field right now. That will bring a lot of short-term benefits to the following soybean crop. Some of those include, if we rolled this cover crop down, we could see some weed suppressive benefits in the soybean crop. We could also see some soil moisture conservation benefits. Having a cover crop out here will prevent sunlight from directly hitting the soil and driving soil moisture out. It can also help with infiltration in some of our heavy rainfall events. So there's a lot of short-term benefits that cereal rye can bring. And there's a couple advantages that soybeans have planted into cereal rye compared to a crop like corn. One is that soybeans fix their own nitrogen. So any nitrogen tie-up as the cereal rye starts to decompose is less problematic for soybeans. Also, soybeans are plastic across a range of populations. So when you plant into this heavy of residue cover crop, sometimes you can see some stand reductions. Soybeans have plasticity across a wide range in populations, and that's one benefit that soybeans have in this system. Last year, we did some work looking at 3 different soybean populations, 100, 130, and 160,000 planted into a heavy residue cereal rye across North Carolina, and we saw no differences in yield across these populations, which further demonstrates that soybeans can be planted successfully into these heavy residue cover crops. In conclusion, growers across North Carolina are planting a range of cover crops, but using cereal rye in front of soybeans has some distinct advantages.